Hey everyone, Westbeck here. Welcome to Mirza Camera On. Sorry, recently I started my new YouTube channel, Mirza Camera On, for Marvel and DC action figure unboxing and comics revealing. So if you guys are interested, join Mirza Camera On for Marvel and DC action figures, hot toys, and comics revealing. So, hey everyone, Westbeck here. Welcome to VFX 101. So today's class about a new update, Lockdown 1.7. So let's start. We all know that Adobe After Effects is best for the tracking, but what about the liquid surface? So go back to the After Effects. Okay, I have a video clip, a coffee cup. Nice. Okay, first select the layer, then go to the effect menu, Reynolds and Lockdown. Press Ctrl key and draw a mesh selection. Wait for a second. Okay, now you see we have a mesh select. Okay, next click the track all button. Oh my god, it's track mesh, superb. Next, click on a lockdown button. Okay, now we have three layers. First one is our original footage, and second one is our mesh track, and third one is background stabilize. Simple, double click the background stabilize composition and hide the checkboard and import the logo. Okay, then press S key and scale it, move and fit the logo. Okay, change this like 10, set the position. Okay, now go back to the main composition cup and change the logo layer blending mode, overlay, and press 0 key. Oh my god, it's look more real. Now you see your logo is completely merged on your liquid. Awesome. Okay, let's change some value, resize, move the position, and again set the release 9, set the position and go back to the main com and press again 0. Now it's look more real. So guys, this is very easy. I know this video is very short and I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, like and share this video. Much more is more. Subscribe to VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you. So finally guys, I want to know about which 3D software do you want to learn? 3D Studio Max, Maya, Blender.